are enthusiastic learners. In last video, we all saw certain errors that we commit while speaking English. This lecture is all about commonly used sentences. Most of the time it happens, हमें हिंदी में कुछ sentences पता होते हैं, but we find it hard while speaking in English. So here, we are all set for this lecture. Let's dive into it. To begin with, we have ये मुश्किल काम है. Whenever we say ये मुश्किल है, मुश्किल के लिए हम word use करते हैं difficult, hard. But here we can say one more. That is, it is a Herculean task. Whenever you say मुश्किल, हम ये word use कर सकते हैं. Like those who don't know cooking, उनके लिए cooking is a Herculean task. For me, mathematics was a Herculean task and it is today also. So when you say, you can say like this. Now we have, उसके पापा एक बड़ी हस्ती हैं. When we say बड़ी हस्ती, हमारे mind में एक ही word आता है, that is big personality. But here we can say his father is a big gun. Yes guys, you heard it right. जब आप किसी की बड़ी हस्ती की बात करते हैं, you use a word big gun. So you can simply say his father is a big gun. Now we have तुम मेरे हम नाम हो. Guys, whenever we talk about हम नाम, हम एक word use करते हैं, that is namesake. Normally आप क्या बोल सकते हो? You and I have same name. But here we can say you are my namesake. Like if I meet another Prakshi, so I will say that you are my namesake. Now we have तुम्हें मनाली कैसा लगा? अब now how will you say this? We can simply say how did you find Manali, or we can say how did you like Manali. Both are the ways when you ask someone वो चीज़ आपको कैसी लगी. How did you like it, or we can say how did you find Manali. Moving further, we have ये खास आपके लिए. This is specially for you. But here we can use one more word, that is exclusively. So you can say this is exclusively for you. You must have seen in television. On television you must have seen that interviews आ रहे होते हैं. तो उस पर लिखा होता है ना exclusive interview, exclusive news. So it means खास जब वो चीज़ किसी के लिए होती है. So we can say this is exclusively for you. Now we have आप अविश्वसनीय हो. When you say अविश्वसनीय, आपके माइंड में एक वर्ड तो जरूर आता है, that is unbelievable. But here we have one more word, that is incredible. So when you have to say someone, you can say you are incredible. Just imagine one of your friends who spoke very well. What can you say? Your performance was incredible. Here we have incredible. Here we have तुम उसे बदनाम क्यों कर रहे हो. When we say नाम, so हमारे माइंड में आता है fame. So बदनाम के लिए we use word defame. You can simply say why are you defaming him or her. Have torn jeans are in fashion these days. Exactly. Fashion तो ठीक है, are in fashion, or we can say torn jeans are in trend these days. But here we can say are in vogue. When you say this word fashion, आप उसकी जगह बोल सकते हो in vogue. Or we can say oversized t-shirts are in vogue these days. दाल में कुछ काला है. You must have seen CID, कुछ तो गड़बड़ है. तो उसमें हम बोलते हैं ना there is something wrong, something is fishy. Here we have one more, we say I can smell a rat. Exactly. We say दाल में कुछ काला होना. Imagine you are a very extrovert personality, आप बहुत बोलते हो. And today you are sitting very quiet, very quiet. So your parents, they can smell a rat. वो exactly समझ जाते हैं कि आज कुछ तो गड़बड़ है, that he is not speaking. So you can say I can smell a rat. लगता है कि तुमने चुप रहने की कसम खाई है. ये वर्ड तो हम बहुत ज्यादा सुनते हैं, चुप रहने की कसम. Yesterday only I had a fight with my brother and today I was not talking to him. So he asked me, लग रहा है मुझे तूने चुप रहने की कसम खाई है. So I asked him, इसे इंग्लिश में कैसे कहेंगे? So he said that we say it seems as if you have kept a vow of silence. Vow of silence means चुप रहना, मौन व्रत धारण करना. As if you have kept a vow of silence. मुझे छुप छुप कर बातें सुनना पसंद नहीं है. अब what is छुप छुप कर बातें सुनना? We say eavesdropping. So we can say I don't like eavesdropping. Imagine you were just passing out and you heard that your father and mother, they are sitting together and they are talking about you. तो तुम पीछे खड़े हो गए कान लगा के सुनने के लिए कि what are they talking about you? So what is that? We say eavesdropping. Here I can say I don't like eavesdropping. A very famous dialogue. मैं उसकी आंखों में बहुत खटकता हूँ. When we say आंखों में खटकना, we say eyesore. Eyesore. So you can say I am an eyesore to him. Or you can say in school backbenchers are eyesore to teachers. Last but not the least, we have कल वह bunk पढ़ता. I agree that bunk is itself an English word, but you can say French leave as well. So you can say yesterday he was on French leave. So these are 12 sentences with which you can spice up your English. For more videos, stay tuned.